Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of modern Scandinavian furniture design idea. So, watch the video until the end to see our collection and get inspiration. Scandinavian furniture design is known for its clean line, simplicity, and functionality. It emerged in the mid-20th century and has since become a global design phenomenon. In this video, we will explore the history, key characteristics, and iconic pieces of Scandinavian furniture design. The root of Scandinavian furniture design can be traced back to the early century when a movement called functionalism emerged in Nordic countries such as Denmark, Sweden, Norway, Finland, and Iceland. Functionalism emphasizes the idea that furniture should be designed with a focus on its purpose and practicality. One of the most influential features in Scandinavian furniture design is Danish architect and designer Arne Jacobsen. Jacobsen's work, particularly his iconic egg chair and swan chair, emphasizes the principle of Scandinavian design. These chairs features organic shapes, minimalistic form, and high-quality craftsmanship. Are you enjoying our content? If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. We post daily video on furniture design and decor. Also, smash the notification bell so that you get notified every time we upload any video. Another renowned designer associated with Scandinavian furniture design is Alvar Aalto from Finland. Aalto's designs are characterized by their use of natural materials such as wood and their emphasis on functionality. His famous Paimon chair design showcases his innovation use of bent plywood. Swedish designer Bruno Mattsson is also a prominent figure in Scandinavian furniture design. Mattsson's design often features ergonomic shape and flexible materials. His perennial chair, with its curved wooden frame and woven set, is an excellent example of his innovative approach to furniture design. Scandinavian furniture design is known of its use of natural materials such as wooden, leather, wool. Light-colored woods like birch, and ash are commonly used in Scandinavian furniture to create a sense of warmth and simplicity. The natural beauty of the wood is often celebrated through minimalistic designs that showcase the material grain and texture. Functionality is a key principle of Scandinavian furniture design. It strives to create furniture that is not only aesthetically pleasing but also serves a practical purpose. Many Scandinavian pieces feature modular design or multifunctional elements that allow for versatile and adaptive in different space. The color palette of Scandinavian furniture design is typically light and neutral, reflecting the region's long winter and limited daylight. White, gray, and muted tone are commonly used to create a sense of calm and serenity. However, pops of color are also embedded in Scandinavian design to add visual interest and personality to space. Scandinavian furniture design is often characterized by its clean line and minimalistic aesthetic. Unnecessary ornaments is avoided, and the focus is placed on creating functional and timeless pieces. This simplicity allows Scandinavian furniture to blend seamlessly into various interior styles, making it a popular choice for those traditional and contemporary spaces. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our content? If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. We post daily video on furniture design and decor. Also, smash the notification bell so that you get notified every time we upload a new video. The iconic piece of Scandinavian furniture design includes the Weger Wishbone chair by Danish designer Hans J. Weger. This chair features a curved backrest with a distinctive U-shaped structure inspired by traditional Chinese furniture design. This wishbone chair is highly regarded for its elegance from an ergonomic comfort. Another iconic piece is the Ames Lounge chair by American designer Charles and Ray Emmons. While not strictly Scandinavian, these chairs have had a significant influence on Scandinavian design aesthetics. It is a combination of model, plywood, leather, upholstery, and silk lines embodies that principles of simplicity and functionality that are central to Scandinavian design. The string shelf system by Swedish architect Niels String is another classic example of Scandinavian furniture design. This modular shelf system consists of simple wire brackets and wooden shelves that can be arranged in various configurations to suit individual needs. The string shelf system is celebrated for its versatility and timeless appeal. In recent years, Scandinavian furniture design has experienced a resurgence in popularity worldwide. It is clean, minimalistic aesthetic and focus on functionality resonate with contemporary lifestyle. Many modern designers continue to draw inspiration from principles of Scandinavian design, creating a new interpretation that blend traditional with innovation. Scandinavian furniture design is characterized by its clean line, simplicity and functionality, and use of natural material. It emerged in the mid-20th century as a response to functionalism movement and has since become synonymous with timeless elegancy and practicality. From iconic pieces by designers like Arne Jacobsen and Alvin Altro to modern inspiration by contemporary designers, Scandinavian furniture design continues to captivate with its understated beauty and enduring appeal. Dear viewers, There you have them, our hand-picked some Scandinavian furniture design ideas and characters. Which one did you like? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We will post daily video on furniture and decor ideas. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Share the video to your friends and family so that it could be reach wider audience. Thank you for your watching. Stay safe. We will see you in our next video.